Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a quick, easy fall Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to take one of the Dollar Tree long signs. This one actually looks like a pumpkin, so I thought I could actually make it into like a little bit of a planter box to kind of reuse it instead of just using it as a sign. So I start by just removing the adornments on the top. I didn't really like them very much. I thought we could do better. It did tear the paper a little bit, but I'm not too worried about that. And it gave me this great happy fall sign that is shaped like a pumpkin, and then I guess it already has pumpkins on it too. I just distress it with a little bit of ivory, a dry brush, and just a baby white, just to give like a farmhouse look to it, make it look less like paper and more like something handmade. And you can always add distressing, remove it, get it to where you like it. Now for the box, I actually found these little wood crates at Target Dollar Spot, $5 for all three of them, and there is the perfect size box in there to make this into a little planter, and it can stand on its own. I'm also going to be using some of the Dollar Tree fall stencils to decorate the front of it, because why not? They're about the right size, and I wanted to try them out. So they are self-adhesive, they're peel and stick. This one says, "Welcome to our patch," and I want to fill the little bin with pumpkins, so that kind of makes sense to me. So I just go ahead and peel the backing off and lay it down. I did find some of the details on this were a little hard to get exactly where you were supposed to, but once I got it all stuck and flat, I can go ahead and paint it. Now to paint it, I'm using just a makeup sponge and a little bit of acrylic paint in this I think this is called Golden Sunset color. It's just a very fun color for fall, I thought. And I was able to stencil that onto the front of the wood crate pretty easily. I was kind of impressed with how the stencils worked. I did go back and distress it a little bit with a little dry brushing and ivory to kind of make it match the vibe of the pumpkin sign. And I want you to be able to read the word fall, and so I'm going to attach just some Dollar Tree craft wood. I picked up a square of it. I'm going to paint it white to make it kind of blend in with the bin that we're going to add it to. That way I can have the fall sign high enough where I can read it and I can still fill the box. So that fits in there perfectly. I love these little craft wood pieces from the Dollar Tree. They come really handy for crafting. I just hot glue it back to the back of that long fall sign. And then I also want to decorate the top of it. So we had taken off the paper decorations. I'm going to switch it up to some of these like leather leaves from the Dollar Tree. I thought that looked really pretty. I'm actually going to put this by my entryway on a little table. I think it would be really pretty for fall. So I glue that to the top of it, and now we can go ahead and glue the craft wood into the little wood bin there. And now you can see that you can still read it. You can read that bottom L. I was worried about not being able to read the whole thing. To fill it up, I used some of those little tiny hay bales from the Dollar Tree. Two of them is the perfect size for this crate. And then I have some Dollar Tree pumpkins that I actually painted orange, like a pumpkin orange color. I think it makes them look a little bit better than the colors that they come. And I just hot glue those to the hay bale so they will stay in place. And I want it to kind of look like, like a little tiny pumpkin patch. And this is how it turned out, our happy fall sign for an entryway. It was really easy to do. And if you would like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.